morning, my loves. Welcome back to Come Sit in Gratitude with me. It is season 2, day 78. I know I accidentally said day 78 in the voiceover yesterday, but yesterday was actually day 77, and today is a true day 78. I'm excited to get into my practice today because I just feel so amazing. And I woke up to seeing this channel growing, and it really made me so happy. There's also more that's happened, so let's just get into our practice and get into today's gratitudes. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get started. So I am feeling extremely grateful today. Okay, I am just well, first of all, I'm just like really enjoying watching this little channel grow. And you know what's funny? The strangest comparison came into my mind this morning. It almost feels like watching or feeling a baby grow inside of you. And I know that feeling because I've been there twice. It's like I'm creating this thing. I'm nurturing it every single day. I'm showing up for it. I'm pouring so much love into it. And little by little, I get to watch it become something. And I don't know exactly what it's going to look like once it's fully birthed, fully grown yet, whatever that means. But I know it's growing. I know it's a real living thing, and it's growing and it's breathing and it's got life here. And it feels really special, especially when I look at everything else that's been happening lately, like all the money that's showing up, the protection I experienced last night, the way things keep working out, even when something scary happens. I just feel like there is so much evidence around me right now that I'm being so supported and fully protected and divinely guided. All right, so let's get into today's gratitudes. So my first gratitude today is I am so grateful that this channel now has 54 subscribers because I'm genuinely enjoying watching our little community grow, our little portal that we're building here grow. And you know, every new subscriber feels really exciting to me. We got one yesterday and then another one today, and it's just so beautiful. And I know 54 it's still like not, you know, nothing to write home about for a lot of people, but for me, that's 54 human beings who decided that they want more of this, that they enjoy watching me do this. And that's beautiful. That's beautiful to me. I think that's special. I think that is something to celebrate. And so instead of looking at where I would like the channel to be eventually and thinking, you know, why am I not there yet? Honestly, all that is gone now. I want to enjoy watching it become. That's what made me think about pregnancy this morning. Like that's literally, I saw the channel grow, and literally that's the thought that spirit implanted in me. Like, you don't look at a tiny little baby growing inside of you and say, ugh, why aren't you fully grown yet? Right? No, you marvel at every stage. You marvel at the poppy seed stage, at the blueberry stage, at the orange stage, at all the beautiful stages of gestation inside a womb. You celebrate every little bit of that growth, and you get so excited week to week when the baby's gotten just a tiny bit bigger, right? And that's how I want to treat things, the things I'm creating moving forward. I don't want to rush past the beginning because I'm so focused on what it should look like or how I'll be perceived or where other people think I should be. So today I am celebrating 54 gratitude babes. Welcome. Yay! So happy to have you. I am grateful for every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. And I'm grateful that I get to watch this grow and that you get to watch me grow. And, you know, we're growing together. This is this is something really special that we started here, and I just know it. I just know it. I just know it. You are a part of something really magical, something really, really instrumental that's growing here, that's brewing here, that's forming here. It is spirit led, it is divinely guided, and you are going to really feel the magic of the frequency that's being built here. So welcome, my gratitude babe. I love you so much for being here. And I cannot wait to see what you create from this energy. So thank you, thank you, thank you. My second gratitude today is I am so grateful that I made it home safely last night and peacefully and easily, because something happened with my Nissan on the road last night on my way home that honestly scared me. Okay, so a fuse blew and all of my exterior lights went out, and I was driving home pretty late at night. And obviously that's not exactly the kind of adventure we're trying to manifest over here, right? It was scary, but I was able to put on my hazards and use my high beams and make my way home safely and peacefully and easily. But when I got home, I just felt so blessed, because sometimes gratitude isn't about preventing all the bad things or the scary things from happening, right? It's about realizing how protected and supported you were while moving through the scary thing, while moving through the contrast of what it is you actually want to feel. I made it home. I was okay. And today I get to sit here and count that as another blessing, right? And that's something that I refuse to take for granted. But also, another thing is, I went through a massive thing yesterday, or 2 days ago, rather. Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? Oh my God, I can't remember. It was Monday. Today's Wednesday. It was Monday when I woke up in that really bad situation. And this could have been another pile-on, right? I could have felt like this is another pile-on on top of everything else that's boiling and swirling around me. But no, I'm out of that storm. I'm not financially out of the storm, but I'm emotionally and spiritually and energetically out of that storm. I'm in a place of such gratitude and appreciation just for my life and all the things that are going right, and the beautiful things that when that happened last night, as scary as it was, I didn't panic. I didn't spiral. It didn't take me to a dark place again. I didn't boohoo cry again. I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm grateful I realized it. And I'm honestly grateful it was at a time where no one was on the road, and it looks like some of the highway lights had been out, or I was driving through an area where there were no street lights, highway lights. So I realized, oh my God, why is it so dark? Oh my God, my lights aren't working. And then I immediately turned on my hazards and my high beams, and it was just I just went into solution, and I took my time, and I got off an earlier exit so I can drive local roads as opposed to being on main roads. And I took it easy. And the fact that I didn't panic, I didn't get into a spiral, I did not feel like the world was against me, like the universe was punishing me, any of that, none of that happened. And to me, that's a sign of such amazing growth and expansion just in a couple of days, where Monday I woke up in a swirl of quite literal shit. And last night could have been more shit on top of the shit, but it was more no, I'm just blessed. These are blessings. I'm happy I made it home, and I'm going to take it in today to Firestone. And, I told a friend of mine, and he's like, you know what? Take it to Fire. You have to get it fixed. Take it to Firestone, and I got you. And I'm just like, what is happening? That's another gratitude that I don't even have room for. Maybe I'll put that in for tomorrow. But isn't that amazing? Or actually, that'll be this evening's reflection, because I'm going to take it in, and that's going to happen throughout the day. But that's all these amazing things are unfolding from me not panicking, and from me living in this space of complete and total appreciation and gratitude in this method, in this format. So I'm just so grateful. And also to receive $500. Oh wait, no, that's the next one. So moving on to the third gratitude. I'm so grateful that I didn't have to drive yesterday. And I still received almost $500. And I'm grateful for that, because evidence continues to show up that what I've been affirming, both in script here and in my to feel activation, and affirming throughout the day robotically that I am rich and I never have to work again, evidence continues to show up that that is true. It is actually freaking true. Like, do you understand how much evidence I have been collecting of that lately? Money keeps finding me on days that I'm not working for it. And every single time it happens, I'm choosing to acknowledge it because this is what I'm asking for. This is what I'm scripting. This is what I'm affirming. I want my bills paid with ease. I want my needs met with ease. Money to flow to me in ways that don't require me to constantly trade my time and energy for it. And lately, I keep receiving evidence that money can come to me without me having to work. Yesterday, I didn't have to drive. I didn't have to drive. You know what I did yesterday? Yesterday, I got invited to go see a movie. I went to see Spider-Man for the second time, this time in 3D. A friend of mine was going to see it, the same friend who has offered to help me out with my car, wanted to go see it and was like, will you come with me? I'm like, I have to drive. And just like that, he's like, I'll cover you. Just come with me because I don't want to go alone. I'm like, oh my God, you are amazing. Like, what? Excuse me, sir? Huh? What? It was amazing. I got to sit in the movie and then we went out to dinner afterward at one of my favorite restaurants. And it was just beautiful. I was like, this is my life now. Like, I'm affirming and scripting every day that not only am I so rich I never have to work again, but that the more I relax and just enjoy my life, the more and more money I receive. And look what happens yesterday. It's insanity, but in the most beautiful and magical and obvious way. Because of course this is going to happen. Of course I'm receiving almost $500 without working. Of course my car is getting the care it needs without me coming out of pocket. Of course, the universe is sending so many people to support me and help me and guide me and take my hand and walk with me. Of course, my channel is growing, whether it's by one subscriber a day, a week, or a month. Of course, all that is happening. Of course. It feels so beautiful. So yes, I am counting all of it. I am celebrating all of it. I am saying thank you, sealing it all with one giant thank you, because every piece of evidence matters, no matter how tiny. Okay, so my loves, now that we've activated the yummiest of all frequencies, the gratitude frequency, and raised our frequency by focusing on everything that is already working in our lives, we're going to hijack this frequency. We're going to hijack this energy that I just activated that's literally making me feel like I am on cloud 33 right now. And we're going to take it directly into scripting for manifestation. And I'm going to stick with the script I've been scripting, which is basically like exactly what I'm saying and what I'm living. The fact that I'm living the script is really, truly magical. And I hope you guys are like recognizing that this is the power of this journal. This is the power of the gratitude is yummy method. This is the power of consistency. This is the power of gratitude. This is the power of devotion. This is the power of self-reclamation. This is self-empowerment, right? This is the power of you coming back to you. And I'm so grateful you're here with me because it's okay to experience this by yourself, but to really share it vulnerably and openly. Scary AF when I started at the top of this year, but it's really been magical, and I'm grateful that you guys are always holding space for me to share without judgment and without fear. So thank you for being here, and let's do our manifestation script. All right, moving on to our to feel activation for the day. I want to stay in this beautiful place of abundance and wealth and the financial blessings I've been receiving, which is I am financially abundant. I am so rich, I never have to work again. The more I relax and enjoy my life, the more money I receive. It is done. All right, and we're going to continue on to our to-do list for the day. And that is our practice. We're getting to the end of our journal here. Just, I don't know, maybe 10 more days. Then it's time to crack open a new one. Oh, it's so exciting. I can't wait. All right, and that is season 2, day 78 of our practice. Today, I'm walking away from this practice feeling really protected and so provided for, and really freaking excited to watch my baby grow here. So 54 gratitude babes today, and who knows where we're going, who knows how big this is going to become, but I am no longer rushing it. Those days are done. I'm going to enjoy watching this become, and I'm going to keep collecting all the little and big pieces of evidence that come along the way. If you've practiced with me today, I want you to tell me just one thing you're grateful for in the comments. I love reading gratitudes from other people and celebrating all your evidences with you. And if you want to practice the full GIY method with me every single day, you can grab your own beautiful premium Gratitude is Yummy journal at gratitudebabe.com. It is there waiting for you. I ship same day, so go ahead and grab yours today. And that is it for today, my loves. Keep noticing your blessings, babes, because they are there. Keep collecting those evidences. Keep watching your dreams grow. And I love you all so much. Thanks again for being here. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.